Intune, Peachtree, Myobi, Citrix, 4PM. So these are the global familiar ERPs. But in this, SAP is a monopoly. Whenever SAP design their own database, our database is cloud database. So right now there is no competitor for SAP. Right now there is no competitor for SAP. Its own database application. Right. What is SAP? Like here, SAP abbreviates system application products. So what type of system? Basically, SAP is server-based system. Server-based system. Application. Nothing but pre-defined application package. So here, what is that? Pre-defined application package. Application. So what is package? Package is combination of functional, technical, networking, and database module. Package is combination of functional module, technical module, networking module, and database modules. We have various functional modules, technical module, networking module, and database modules. Like here, products. As SAP itself, SAP is a product. Right? The internal components of the product is manufacturing or service or industry specific solutions. Nothing but oil and gas platform. We never say SAP, which we design not only for manufacturing, not only for service, not only for oil and gas. Any type of industry we can design. Any type of industry we can design. Like example, Reliance, manufacturing is there, service is there, oil and gas is there. Now they're using SAP platform. Now they're using SAP platform, right? Here, come to database point of view. We have two type of database applications. From 1972 to March 15, 2015, our database is Oracle database. Oracle database. Now our database is S/4 HANA Cloud Database. What's that? S/4 HANA Cloud Database. What is S/4? Like S for simple, finance, logistics, administration, and database. What's that? Simple finance, simple logistics, simple administration, and simple database. So S/4. The here in ECC component, our version is finance or controlling. Finance or controlling. Right? The advanced version of finance and controlling is simple finance or HANA finance. This is the full form of SAP, system application product in data processing. In data processing. Here, next. Any question up to now? Yes, Samantha, any questions up to now?
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Samita. Any questions up to now?
Uh, like this database, can you please explain once again?
See, in ECC point of view, whenever we save the data stores in database,
Okay. Yeah, Oracle.
like Sybase, either
Yeah.
Oracle or Sybase. Now our
Yes.
database is HANA Cloud Database. HANA is the dimension, actual database is Cloud Database.
Okay.
Whenever application as function contains in entered data, the data stores in database. The database is cloud. HANA is the dimension to integrate application to database.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So
Fine.
next, what are the various modules in SAP? Like functional modules, finance, controlling, sales and distribution, material management, logistic management, joint venture accounting, quality control, treasury management, production planning, logistics execution, and treasury management, etc. These are the various functional modules. In technical, ABAP, cross applications, networking, basis, security, database, BI, business intelligence, BO, business objects, BW, business warehouse. These three are Oracle dimension and HANA cloud dimension. So BI, BO, BW, these three are Oracle dimension. HANA comes under cloud dimension. These are the various functional, technical, networking, and database modules. Altogether, SAP module at a glance. Next, come to the futures, SAP futures. It's platform independent. Even if you want to run SAP, even Excel also not required. It's an independent application. Database independent. Right now, our database is HANA database. Language independent. Standard language, English. GUI, graphic user interface. Currency independent. Client server technology. All are independent platforms. In before, all other features are independent, database dependent. Whenever SAP designed their own database, HANA database, now database also independent database. What are the things? Platform independent, database independent, language independent, GUI, currency independent, client server technology independent. All are independent platform principles. Next, in SAP, we have various servers are there, like ECC, Enterprise Central Component, CRM, Customer Relation Management, SRM, Supply Relation Management, SCM, Supply Chain Management, HCM, Human Capital Management, BI, Business Intelligence, BO, Business Objects, BW, Business Warehouse. Like, what are the various servers? ECC, Central Component. Our FICO server is the ECC server. CRM, Customer Relation Management. SRM, Supply Relation Management. SCM, Supply Chain Management. HCM, Human Capital Management. BI, Business Intelligence. BO, Business Objects. BW, Business Warehouse. All together, one server, one SAP server. Right? Next, architecture 1. The initial or early days, we use R1, real-time one-tier architecture, like client, application, database, one server, one user, single user operating system. Next, later they designed R2. Here, one advantage is there, one disadvantage is there. So the advantage is one server, many users works at a time. Like for example, my server is ECC server. Along with ECC, if I want to add CRM, system it won't allow either ECC or CRM, but many users works at a time. Many users works at a time, right? But later from 1992 to 2015, the successful addition in SAP is R by 3, real-time 3-tier architecture. Means many to many architecture, like many servers, many users works at a time. Here, the major component is EDI, electronic data interchange, and data migration. Data migration. Here, very, very important aspect is migration strategy. Like, let me see what is finance, what is controlling. Finance. Gear for external reporting like balance sheet, profit and loss account, etc. Controlling gear for management reports like cost center report, profit center report, internal order report, commitment item report, etc. These are the internal reports. Balance sheet and profit and loss account are external reports. Next, each and every module have submodule. Each and every module have submodule. Like first submodules in finance, like general ledger accounting, accounts payable, vendor, accounts receivable, customer, tax, bank accounting, funds management, special purpose ledger, travel management, asset accounting, and insurance management. These are the various submodules in finance. Finance is a primary module. Under finance, we use submodules. Next, likewise, in controlling also we have submodules like cost element accounting. I will explain briefly one by one. Under cost elements, we have primary cost elements, secondary cost elements. Again, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, budgetary control, internal order, commitment item, material ledger, product costing, cash flow, direct or indirect method, controlling, profitability analysis, accounting base and costing base. So these are the various controlling submodules. Like a sample organization structure, like company have multiple subsidiary companies. Each and every company maintain sales organization. Under sales, distribution channel, division. Under that, sales office, sales group. Again, each and every subsidiary company level, we prepare plant, shipping point, storage location, and warehouse. For example, if client have 100 subsidiary companies, we will create 100 company structure. Differ client to client. Like integrations. So generally other teachers like sales and distribution and material management. But in finance, we have 8 different type of integrations. In finance, first one, finance to sales and distribution. Sales and distribution, like order to cash. Order to cash, like first sales inquiry, sales quotation, sales order, goods issue, invoice verification, customer receipts. We sell the product, we will receive amount from customer. I need some clarification of customer receipts. Like what are the things? Sales inquiry, sales quotation, sales order, goods issue, invoice verification, and customer receipts. Second one, purchase life cycle, procurement, material management. Nothing but procurement. Like purchase requisition, purchase order, goods issue, invoice verification. Here, goods issue or receipts. As we purchase products, goods receipts, invoice verification, and vendor payment. We purchase product, we will pay amount to vendor. Vendor payment. What are the things? Purchase requisition, purchase order, goods received, invoice verification, and vendor payments. Next one, human resources. What is the activity of HR in company? like recruitment, selection, induction, training, placement. So who will pay salary? Finance consultant. Who will take care of professional tax? Finance consultant. Next one, treasury management. Treasury management. Each and every company maintain bank account and schedule loans account. Right? Under treasury, we will discuss this inflow and outflow of cash management principles. Cash management principles. Next, joint venture accounting. Joint venture accounting. We never say all SAP companies are public limited or private limited or service organization. So we need to categorize either public or private or service organization. If it is public, issue equity shares, preference shares, debentures, and secure loans. Secure loans. So, if it is private limited company, so there is no equity share. They issue preference shares, debentures, and secure loans. If it is service, only secure loan. Nature of entity we can customize. Nature of entity we can customize. So, and so whenever we prepare SAP application platform, we need to maintain GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. Under that, we maintain schedules. AS01, Schedule 1, authorized, capital, AS01, capital. If it is public limited companies, the capitals are equity shares, preference shares, debentures, and secure loans. If it is private, preference shares, debentures, secure loans. Service, only secure loans. These are the company's capital portion. Along with capital, we need to check sources of funds and utilization of funds. Right? Means reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Like along with capital, we need to check if it is public limited companies, issue grants, maintain grants management, maintain grants management. Private companies, issue funds management. Service, committees, commitment management. What are the things? If it is public limited companies, grants management. Private company, issue funds management. Service, committees, commitment management. Along with capital, we need to check what are the sources of funds and utilization of funds. The total bunch which we discuss under joint venture accounting. Very, very important aspect in real time. Next one, logistics management. Stock transfer within the country, company to customer. Here, local taxes will apply. And logistics execution. Stock transfer, one country to another country. Another country. Here, imports, exports, excise, customs. Right? here local taxes, here imports and exports will apply. Next, eighth one, CIN. So country in nation, nothing but taxes. So here we have two conditions. First, Indian taxes. First one is Indian taxes. In India, we use direct tax and indirect tax. So indirect tax, again we have two heads. Statutory. Now we use GST. So in GST we have central GST, SGST, IGST, and UT, Union Territory GST. Right? So these the conditions which applies only for India. So globally we have three level of condition. First one, county tax. Second one, federal tax. Third one, use tax. Here, county tax means sales tax. Federal tax, income tax. So, use tax, purchase tax. Based on condition or jurisdiction. So in US, they maintain jurisdiction. So Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Hong Kong, Thailand, they maintain condition. Based on the country, we design either condition based or jurisdiction based or GST. All three together, CIN. All together, organization. Here, organization is equal to finance. Organization is equal to finance. Controlling, to control the entire organization will. To control the entire organization will. Here, organization is equal to finance. Finance means sales life cycle, purchase life cycle, bank, payroll, logistic execution, logistic management, execution, capital, and tax. All together, finance. Next, SIN, Indian taxes, global taxes. In India, direct tax, indirect tax. Under indirect, again we have statutory GST. So globally, county tax, federal tax, use tax based on condition or jurisdiction. And see here, joint venture accounting. Like we have three categories of companies: private, public, and service. Public, equity share, preference share, debenture, and secure loan. Maintain grants management. So private, preference shares, debentures, secure loans, funds management. Service, secure loans, commitment management. Next, let me discuss what are the chapters in finance and chapters in controlling. Like first, in finance, first one, general ledger, bank accounts, first one, master data, vendor master data, asset accounting, contract management, insurance management. So these are the finance chapters. Like we regularly use these finance words, right? First of all, controlling which applies indirect revenues and expenses. Nothing but profit and loss accounts, indirect. Profit and loss account, indirect. Right? So here, finance we use general ledger. In controlling we use cost elements. So we have two type of cost elements, or of two types. First one, primary cost elements for external reports like balance sheet, and profit and loss account. Second one, secondary cost elements, internal or management reports. Internal or management reports. Like the combination of primary and secondary is cost sheet. Cost sheet. Like what is cost sheet? Direct material, direct labor, direct expense. So we get prime cost. We get prime cost. So based on this, add factory overheads, add office overheads, add selling and distribution overheads. So based on this, we get cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. In this, direct material, direct labor, direct expense. These three are secondary cost elements. Secondary cost elements. And factory overheads, office overheads, selling and distribution. These three comes under primary cost elements. So the combination of primary and secondary is cost sheet. Means as finance level, we create GL accounts. Our input is GL accounts. Our ultimate output is cost sheet. Ultimate output is cost sheet. Right? This is general ledger with cost elements. Bank. Each and every company maintain budgetary control. Like each and every company maintain budgeting plans, 3-year budget plan, 5-year budget plan, contract budget plan, etc. Customer sales. Whenever we sell the product, we receive profit. Profit center accounting. Profit center accounting. Right? See, whenever I sell the product, I receive profit. Easy to remember. If cash comes into the firm, profit. If cash goes out of the firm, cost. Vendor purchase. Cash goes out of the firm. Cost center accounting. Cost center accounting. Like salary payment, rent, power bill, telephone bill, any expense, cash goes out of the firm. Cost center accounting. Asset. We never say all company assets are new assets. We will categorize the asset. Categorize the asset. Like new asset, acquisition, amalgamation, absorption, liquidation, holding. What are the things? New asset, acquisition asset, amalgamation asset, absorption asset, liquidation asset, and holding asset. And the nature of depreciation, like straight line methods, declining batch method, multi-level method, and period control method. Based on country accounting and auditing standards, we will design asset and depreciation like GAAP. Generally accepted accounting principles, and IFRS, International Finance Reporting or regulatory standards. We purchase asset outside India, IAS, International Accounting Standards. International Accounting Standards, GAAP, IFRS and IAS, right? All together asset accounting. This is one real-time aspect and very important aspect in real time, the nature of assets. So here in controlling we use asset under construction. So this is investment. This is investment. Next one, internal order. We have two types of orders: statistical order, real order. Statistical means overheads. Real order, investments. Like for example, here purchase order, sales order. Here asset order. Next, cash flow. Direct methods and indirect methods. Direct method and indirect method. Next, product costing. Different cost sheets. Under this we have cost sheets. In SAP, cost sheet are of two methods: with quantity structure, without quantity structure. Without quantity structure. So, and bill of material, top costing, and batch costing. Top costing and batch costing. Next, controlling profitability analysis. Controlling profitability analysis. They have two conditions: accounting base and costing base. Next, cut over activities. Means initial or opening balance upload into SAP system. Right. So under this, we have various migrations are there. Migration methods. First one, LSMW. Legacy system migration workbench. So legacy system migration workbench, like explains to upload master data into SAP system within short time. So I repeat, explains to upload master data into SAP system within short time. So here, what is master data? Explains properties of a particular field. Properties of a particular field. Example, customer, name, address, contact number, email ID. Like vendor, name, address, contact number, email ID, etc. So, note. In SAP, master data are divided into three categories. Master data are divided into three categories. First, finance. In finance, general ledger, bank master data, customer master data, vendor master data, and asset master data. Like in controlling, cost elements, cost center, profit center, internal order, activity keys. Materiality, material, capital units. Capital units means shares and debentures. Totally, we have 12 master data, 3 heads. What are the heads? Finance, controlling, and materiality. Like under finance, general ledger, bank, customer, vendor, asset. In controlling, cost elements, cost center, profit center, order, activity keys. Materiality, material, capital units. Under this LSNW, we have 4 different methods are there. First, batch input method, direct input method, BAPI method, IDOC method. Right? The 4 methods in the class, I will explain all 4 methods. The second method is BDC, batch data communication or backup domain controller. Explains to upload master data into, master data or transaction data into SAP system within short time. Like transaction data, GL invoices, customer invoices, vendor invoices, asset invoices, etc. So methods in BDC, call session method, call recording method. The third one is table architecture method. Table architecture method, very important method. Data migrate Oracle database to S/4 HANA cloud database. Oracle database to S/4 HANA cloud database. Along with this, we have 2 more methods, that is wind shuttle methods and Innover methods. Wind shuttle method and Innover method. These 2 only for transaction data upload. Transaction data upload. Totally, we have 5 different methods: LSNW, BDC, table architecture, wind shuttle, and Innover methods. Next, after this, we discuss on functional specifications. Functional specifications. What are the client required reports which are not available in SAP? Only for client purpose, we will prepare these reports, functional specifications. Finally, month end or year end activities. Month end or year end activities. Right? These are the things which we discuss under finance controlling with 8 different integration life cycles. Right? So, any questions, please? And come to the practical application point of view. Yes. Yes, Samita, any questions, please?
No, till now, no. It's okay.
All right, fine. So here in SAP, we have 2 level of condition: consultant level, end user level. Like for example, let you take Big Bazaar, right? So as a consultant, we design the entire application. The billing counter people, they're end users, right? So here, as a consultant team, we develop or design the application platform. Like for example, once we design the platform, I want to see the balance sheet F.01. Like here, my chart of account is 6500 and my company code is 6501 and execute. See here, like balance sheet, liabilities, assets, revenues, expenses. So this is P&L account and the first two are balance sheet, liabilities and assets. And see, I want to see the file balance F.08. So my chart of account is 6500 and my company code 6501. Execute. No list because as of 2020 I did not enter any data. Now I entered the previous year, so fiscal year 2019. Right? Means last year data is there. You know, I did not enter any, I did not post any transaction here. Like for example, like my client requirement is he want to customize from 2010. We can customize. So there is no year specification. At a time, we will generate multiple year reports and multiple subsidiary company reports at a time. See? Now, I want to see ledgers, individual ledgers, FBL3N. So my company code is 6501. Select all items, execute. Like salaries payable, outstanding expenses, excess duty payable, cess payable, higher education cess payable, Swachh Bharat cess, provisional tax, like various tax ledgers. No, I want to see only specific ledgers. We can. Like for example, I want to see only salaries ledger. Here, see here only salaries ledger. Right? Likewise, we can. Now, I want to see documents. FB03. So here, fiscal year 2019, document list. See here, various documents. So double click on any document, the document will open. Like salaries to check issue. And here, this. So customer set off. DR, customer invoice. See, excise cess, hydration cess, Swachh Bharat cess. So, means world taxes. And central GST, state GST payable. New taxes. Now I want to see like database table wise. SC16N. And a table BSCZ. And my company code is 6501. Execute. Clear? See, every month what we will do, we will submit the reports. Here, export option is there. Spreadsheet or select local file. Local file. So, spreadsheet. Generate. See here, sample one. will generate reports. Likewise, we generate reports and submit it to companies. Right? So, clear? And I provide material like soft copy material for FICO and Simple Finance. Just a moment, please. Like so, step by step material. I mean, step by step concept with theory and practical. Like what is enterprise structure and define company, and what is credit control area, theory and practical. Edit, copy, delete your company code. So the same one stays here. Like this is the entire content of FICO and 8 integration life cycles. And almost I cover 50 live issues in class. So whenever you will attend interview, they definitely ask minimum 4 to 5 issues. Almost I cover in entire syllabus, I cover 50 live issues in class. Yes. Any questions, please, Namita?
No.
All right. Have any questions? I'm ready to clarify.
Mm, yeah, Vishwanath Garu, um, and for this SAP, we have to do both finance and controlling at a time, or only finance we can do?
No, no. The thing is, in earlier days, the thing is, FI consultant is different and CO consultant is different.
Yeah.
But whenever SAP designed their own platform, HANA Cloud Platform, the
Yeah.
integration start with CO FI integration. There is no FI CO integration.
Yes.
So here controlling is required field.
Okay, so it's compulsory to do the both
Both
at
the
a
both the
time,
things.
like
So for
after
that only,
doing finance and
no.
controlling.
Yes, see here the pattern. So that only I clearly mentioned the step by step order here.
Yes,
So
yes,
finance and controlling. The same
yes.
order here we follow. Almost because as a qualified chartered accountant, I work on almost in controlling entities, CO entities.
Okay,
If you take any live project, 60% in controlling, 40% in finance is there.
okay. And sir, what type projects you do? I mean, any example to understand? Like, if you're going to do a project or something, like, it is based on which type of, like, any example you can give?
No, the thing is actually here I take products like manufacturing with service base.
Yes.
Like for example, BMW manufacturing cars and sell the product, and servicing
Yeah.
also available. So in that
Yes.
case, the scope is very more. If it is manufacturing, a type of entity. So if we take manufacturing, product base and excise tax only will apply. As service
Yeah.
point of view, we cover a number of aspects. For
Yes.
that, in class point of view, I take manufacturing with service entities.
Okay.
Any more questions, please?
I have some question, but
Yeah. Namita, do you have any more queries regarding like the subject of FSU? Anything? You have need any more?
yeah, I have, but a bit confused about this everything. I have to brush up the skills and all, what all these things. And all.
Yeah. I think Vishmadhar given a like brief introduction about like how it like FSU and how it will be like.
Yes, yes.
So if you have any queries, you can ask now. No problem.
Yes, sir. Like, if consultant, like, what is the role? What he do exactly after entering in a company?
No, the thing is, for entry purpose, we learn so many things. Once you join company, like for example, you join an Accenture company, your roles
Yeah.
and responsibilities are like GL with receivable or GL with payable,
Okay. Yeah.
right? The
Yes.
thing is, as FICO consultant point of view, like here, top descriptions of FICO, end user or power user. Right?
Yes.
Prepare financial statements, profit and loss accounts, balance sheet, general ledger, costing accounting, like purchase price variances, supply chain management, month-end activities, quarterly reporting, audits. Right? These
Yes.
the roles and responsibilities for power user. And again, differences between end user and power keys. So the end user is someone who is responsible for entering business data and executing business transaction on a daily basis. Like for example, who the people work on supporting consultant tasks. So what is supporting consultant activity? They resolve the issues, end of month end activities and year end activities. Basically, they do on the things. As a consultant, what is our activity? So our
Yeah.
consultant activities are, see here, experience in SAP finance and controlling module, usually like general ledger accounting, accounts payable,
Accounts payable.
receivable, cost and profit center accounting, like internal orders. Configure finance controlling modules, implementation is based on business requirements. What is business requirement? So initially, client provides some basic data or raw data,
Yeah.
like just a moment, please.
Yeah. Sure.
So initially, client provided data like this. So it's a raw data. First, we analyze the structure, right? So, and
Yes. Yes.
what are the data client will provide? So, based on that, we apply four different methods: simulation method, brainstorming method, questionnaire method, and hybrid method. Based on these four methods, we prepare a template that is as actual as is template. Based on that, we prepare the gap analysis and to be documentation.
Okay.
So, naming conversions, so different patterns. Like for example, company code. So what type of data client provide and what are his subsidiary companies. These and all his subsidiary companies. So finally, based on this document, we prepare a template that is to be documents. Based on to be, we prepare a key data structure like company. Company have multiple subsidiary companies, and these and all business areas, these and all functional areas, these and all consolidation business areas.
Yes.
We go through the entire document. Based on that, we prepare this key data structure. Based on key data structure, we configure the system. After that, testing. Once we do testing, we upload initial balances like master data and transaction data. After that, we provide training to client end users. So after that, go live will start off. End user work will start off, right? If they have any issue, we resolve the issues. That this is the consultant activities, roles and responsibilities.
Okay.
As product manager, what are his roles? As developer, what are his roles? And FICO consultant, these are our roles and responsibilities. Like responsibilities of FICO consultant includes understanding the business requirement. So we understand the client documentation
Yes.
and of the organization and preparation of blueprint and implementation of the projects. Means blueprint means key data structure. Based on that, we configure the system, implementation of the project, so validate the reporting requirements, validation of changes of any customization, provide training to end users, sort out day-to-day queries end users, enhancement of SAP for end user based requirements, and the task of assignment. So attend daily meetings. So gathering information the client business, whose requirement, client requirements, and we process and prepare a documentation, information about business requirement of preparation, mapping of source data elements, means migration methods, gap analysis, document required gathered during workshops. So functional testing, integration testing. So configure global settings of enterprise structure settings, GL, receivable, payable, asset accounting, end user training, prepare workflow which is not but sequence of business process flow, and support after production go lives. And so product manager and senior manager. So here category wise we have roles and responsibilities.